Ever dreamed of starting your own small-scale factory, right from your home or garage? In this video, we'll explore powerful, compact machines from China that can help you launch real product-based businesses with low investment, from snack making to smart vending and packaging without big investments. Let's dive into these small machines with big potential. Facial towel compression machine. Hotels, salons, airlines, everyone's leaning toward premium, single-use hygiene, and that's where the facial towel compression machine comes in. This compact powerhouse transforms soft tissue or fabric into neat, coin-sized towels that expand instantly with water. With an output of 150 to 200 towels per minute, it's perfect for businesses that value speed and cleanliness. Fully automatic, the machine folds, compresses, and shapes the towels into perfectly sealed tablets, ideal for customer service kits or wellness packs. Whether used dry or lightly moistened, these towels deliver a luxurious experience while being space-saving and eco-friendly. The machine is easy to operate, energy-efficient, and compatible with biodegradable materials, making it a smart option for sustainable brands. From upscale spas to travel accessory suppliers, the demand for compressed towels is rising fast. If you're targeting the hospitality or hygiene product market, this machine can help scale production and customer satisfaction in one shot. Fully auto heat press machine. If you've ever dreamed of starting a small custom printing business from your own room, this automatic heat press machine might just be the tool you need. Compact, electric, and easy to use, this machine lets you press colorful designs onto t-shirts, mouse pads, and more, all with professional-grade precision. Whether you're printing brand logos, quirky artwork, or personalized gifts, it handles the job with smooth automation and vibrant, multicolor output. The process is simple. Place your garment, set the design, and let the machine apply even heat and pressure for a lasting print. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for home-based creators or small workshops. With the rising demand for custom clothing and printed merchandise, this machine can quickly turn your creativity into income. Whether you're selling online or at local markets, it's a profitable side hustle starter. The best part, it's priced affordably at just $130. Puffed corn snacks making machine. This machine is a fantastic tool for food entrepreneurs looking to dive into the ever-growing snacks industry. Designed for efficiency and ease of use, this compact extruder can produce up to 35 kilograms of puffed snacks per hour, making it ideal for small to medium-scale production. Whether you're working with corn, rice, or other puffable grains, the machine uses high-temperature extrusion to puff and shape snacks into crispy, flavorful bites. It's perfect for making fun and crunchy products that appeal to kids and adults alike, ideal for schools, supermarkets, or roadside snack vendors. With minimal setup and a simple operating process, even first-time users can start producing consistently shaped, high-quality snacks. As demand for ready-to-eat and affordable snack options continues to rise, this machine offers a low-cost way to enter the food manufacturing space. The price is attractive too, available for up to $1,200. Foam lunchbox making machine. The machine is a modern all-in-one production line designed to turn raw PS granules into finished foam tableware with remarkable efficiency. This machine doesn't just form, it's engineered to handle forming, punching, cutting, and stacking in one seamless flow. What sets it apart is its ability to streamline the entire process from start to finish, minimizing manual labor and maximizing productivity. Using a specialized heating mechanism, the machine processes foam sheets into a variety of disposable items, such as lunchboxes, plates, bowls, fast food containers, supermarket trays, and more. The operation is simple. Feed the foam sheet into the forming unit, and the finished products, along with trimmed waste, exit from the reel. With only 2 operators needed, it significantly reduces labor intensity and operating costs. Despite its high output, it maintains low noise levels, stable performance, and consistent product quality, making it ideal for small factories as well as large-scale packaging businesses. Smart packaging for fast-moving products. In fast-paced industries where speed, hygiene, and consistency matter, the automatic bagging packing machine stands out as a practical game-changer. Designed to handle pre-made plastic bags, this compact yet highly efficient system wraps and seals with precision, delivering 12 to 18 bags per minute. It's perfect for packaging everything from bakery goods and frozen foods to towels, tableware, and hardware items. The beauty of this machine lies in its smart automation. It handles bag feeding, opening, filling, and sealing, all in one seamless flow. Built-in infrared sensors ensure accuracy by halting operations if bags or materials are missing, reducing waste and downtime. With adjustable settings, it can handle different bag sizes without the need for part changes. Controlled by a reliable PLC system, it offers smooth, stable performance with minimal training. Ideal for small factories and modern workshops, this machine helps boost output without taking up much floor space. Detergent Pods Packing Machine. The detergent market is evolving and water-soluble pods are leading the change. The machine is designed to manufacture and package precise, mess-free laundry capsules using PVA, polyvinyl alcohol, film that dissolves completely in water. Whether you're working with liquid, powder, or granules, this machine efficiently fills, seals, and wraps detergent into ready-to-use pods at an incredible rate of 300 to 800 pods per minute. Its automatic system supports consistent shape, size, and dosage, eliminating waste and maximizing production. Perfect for private label detergent manufacturers, eco-conscious brands, and bulk cleaning product suppliers, this machine streamlines pod production with high precision and hygiene. Its main draw: a clean, user-friendly packaging solution that aligns with modern laundry trends. With compact design and high-volume capability, this machine is ideal for those entering the booming detergent pod market or upgrading from manual processes to fully automated, water-soluble film packaging. Automatic Cutting Plotter. If you're in the business of packaging, signage, or custom printing, the automatic cutting plotter could be your most valuable asset. This smart, high-precision machine isn't just about cutting. It's an all-in-one solution for cutting, creasing, and marking materials like corrugated cardboard, foam board, vinyl stickers, PVC, and even white card. Built with a variety of tool heads, it supports both half-cut and full-cut modes and includes a vibrating knife for tougher materials. What sets it apart is its intelligent automation. An auto-feeding system, a vision positioning program, and a picking table work together to streamline the entire workflow. Whether you're producing packaging boxes, labels, custom stickers, or greeting cards, the results are sharp, clean, and consistent. Ideal for design studios, print shops, or packaging startups, this machine turns complex designs into scalable products, cutting down manual labor while maximizing creativity and throughput. The price ranges between $6,000 and $10,000, offering solid value for serious creators. Smart Vending Machine. Imagine a vending machine that doesn't just sell snacks, but adapts to sell nearly anything, from bottles and boxes to soft packs and irregular shapes. The vending machine is a versatile, intelligent retail solution designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Equipped with 6 standard shelves and up to 60 product spaces, it can be customized to offer a wide variety of commodities, from energy drinks and skincare kits to packaged gadgets or hygiene essentials. Its sleek design supports optional payment modules including card readers, bill acceptors, and coins, making it user-friendly in any location, be it a gym, airport, hostel, or college campus. The real game changer is its flexible loading system, which handles irregular items just as smoothly as standard products. Whether you're building a passive income stream or expanding your retail presence without overhead costs, this machine brings automated sales to wherever customers are. The price starts at just $4,500. Compact Rebar Bending Machine. For builders and contractors, bending rebar by hand can be exhausting and time-consuming. That's where the Compact Rebar Bending Machine transforms the workflow. Designed to handle carbon steel and round rebar, this automatic metal bender is built specifically for heavy-duty use in bridges, tunnels, and other construction projects. Despite its industrial capability, its structure is compact and simple, making it ideal even for mobile or small-scale job sites. With a single foot pedal and one-touch operation, it bends steel rods into 1 to 10 different angles through programmable controls, letting you preset shapes and switch between them automatically. The angle adjustment is completely flexible, offering precision with minimal labor. Whether you're working on-site or running a fabrication unit, this machine boosts productivity while slashing effort. For just $1,000 to $1,200, it's a small investment with massive returns in efficiency and reliability. Express Courier Bag Making Machine. In today's booming e-commerce world, courier bags are more than packaging. They're a business necessity. The Express Courier bag making machine is built to meet that demand with unmatched speed and efficiency. Designed for high-speed production, this machine can create up to 250 plastic mailer bags per minute using durable PE or poly fill material. It features side sealing technology that ensures every bag is leak-proof, secure, and professionally finished, perfect for shipping garments, electronics, documents, and more. Whether you're supplying courier services, retail chains, or logistics partners, this machine delivers consistent quality at industrial scale. With wide application across hotels, garment factories, advertising companies, and even mining or construction firms, its versatility opens doors to multiple markets. If you're looking to tap into the ever-growing packaging sector, this machine is your ticket to reliable, high-output manufacturing.